I've been with Thomas Franks for 18 years, and it's always been about people, it's always been about supporting local community, local suppliers. Aspiring Arts is a brilliant organisation that we'd love to do more with and love to support, hence the start of that this evening. The hospitality industry for us is a difficult market, and I think we've seen over the past 3 to 4 years some incredible talent come through. Those who are slightly more disadvantaged don't get the opportunity that others get, so we're here to give them that opportunity. We'll provide the training support. They will work with some of the best chefs in this industry.
I think community is important to me because without community, we won't be able to succeed. We need our community to come together and help one another. We cannot do this alone. We need the support of our local community, local businesses. We work with over 250 young people just on a weekly basis. We provide a hot meal to every single young person that walks through our door. Young people need someone to believe in them. If we're not that person, then who will be that person?